مرحباً بكم في أكاديمية صوفيا. في درس اليوم سنواصل سلسلتنا لتعلم المفردات، وسنتعرف على أفعال الحركة.
Push. He pushes the door to open it. He pushes the door to open it. Pull. She pulls the chair closer to the table. She pulls the chair closer to the table. Press. He presses the button on the elevator. He presses the button on the elevator. Lift. The worker lifts a heavy box from the floor. The worker lifts a heavy box from the floor. Drop. The child drops a ball on the ground. The child drops a ball on the ground. Grab. She grabs her friend's hand before they cross the road. She grabs her friend's hand before they cross the road. Twist. She twists the bottle cap to open it. She twists the bottle cap to open it. Wipe. The mother wipes the table with a cloth. The mother wipes the table with a cloth. Rub. The boy rubs his hands to make them warm. The boy rubs his hands to make them warm. Squeeze. She squeezes a lemon to make juice. She squeezes a lemon to make juice. Peel. The chef peels a banana. The chef peels a banana. Wring. She wrings a wet towel over the sink. She wrings a wet towel over the sink. Shake. The man shakes the bottle before drinking. The man shakes the bottle before drinking. Wave. The teacher waves to the students at the door. The teacher waves to the students at the door. Point. The girl points at the map on the wall. The girl points at the map on the wall. Nod. He nods his head to agree. He nods his head to agree. Clap. The audience claps after the show. The audience claps after the show. Scratch. The boy scratches his arm after a mosquito bite. The boy scratches his arm after a mosquito bite. Pinch. The girl pinches her friend's cheek gently. The girl pinches her friend's cheek gently. Flick.
She flicks a small bug off her hand. She flicks a small bug off her hand. Poke. The child pokes his friend's arm with one finger. The child pokes his friend's arm with one finger. Snap. She snaps her fingers to get her friend's attention. She snaps her fingers to get her friend's attention. Throw. The boy throws a ball to his friend. The boy throws a ball to his friend. Catch. The girl catches the ball with both hands. The girl catches the ball with both hands. Kick. The player kicks the ball into the goal. The player kicks the ball into the goal. Punch. The boxer punches the bag during training. The boxer punches the bag during training. Crush. She crushes the can with her foot. She crushes the can with her foot. Slap. The woman slaps the thief who stole her bag. The woman slaps the thief who stole her bag. Bend. The worker bends a metal wire with his hands. The worker bends a metal wire with his hands. Tear. The student tears a piece of paper in half. The student tears a piece of paper in half.
اقرأ هذه الكلمات لآخر مرة قبل الانتقال إلى الاختبار التالي. يمكنك إيقاف الفيديو وقراءتها بقدر ما تريد.
أحسنت.